Let's move on to the weather. Alexis is here. So we're still looking ahead, are we, to this stormy weather on its way this weekend?
Potentially, yes. Later on Friday and into the weekend, an area of low pressure, which could be quite deep, bringing us some quite windy conditions with some heavy rain. Let's take a look at your weather pictures, though. Lawrence Toogood photographed the sunrise this morning at Branksome.
Trevor Parsons sent us this picture. This is the sunshine in Swanage.
And Stephen Pay captured Chichester Cathedral earlier on today. Now, through the course of today, we started in many places with a lot of cloud, but the sunshine did finally make an appearance. And here it is at Sturminster Newton in Dorset, photographed by one of our weather watchers. Tomorrow is a very different day. An area of low pressure will bring us some wet and windy conditions. It may be dry at first, but then conditions go downhill with that low pressure moving its way in from the south. Overnight tonight, we'll have a few clear spells, some patchy cloud for some, and then slightly more cloud will arrive during the early hours of the morning, but it will stay dry overnight tonight with temperatures ranging between 7 and 14 degrees. So a dry and potentially bright start to the day tomorrow. The cloud will increase during the morning and we'll start to see showers pop up ahead of a main rain band which will arrive tomorrow afternoon, and that could be quite heavy and persistent in places, lasting right the way through the evening for the rush hour drive home. Temperatures tomorrow will peak at around 15 to 16 degrees, not as high as today. That's because of all the cloud and the rain. So on the inshore waters tomorrow, the winds are south or southwest, veering west 5 to 7, decreasing 3 or 4 later. And that's from Selsley-Bill to Lyme Regis from midday tomorrow until midday on Thursday. Tomorrow night, the rain will eventually clear, moving its way eastwards, clearing skies behind maybe the odd isolated shower. And it will be a dry start to the day on Thursday. Thursday's a much better day with a ridge of high pressure. Temperatures tomorrow night dipping to around 7 to 8 degrees. So looking ahead to Thursday, we're in this window of dry weather. The winds will be fairly light, although they will start to strengthen as the day progresses. And there is the chance of rain nudging into western parts through the latter part of the afternoon and into the evening. So eastern areas holding on to the drier conditions and the bright spells later on Thursday. But looking ahead to Friday, that's when it turns fairly unsettled. We're expecting some wet and windy conditions, even some quite stormy weather, courtesy of an area of low pressure moving its way in from the Atlantic. So here's the outlook for the rest of the week. Tomorrow, there will be some rain at times, which could be heavy in places, even the chance of thunder with any showers. A drier day on Thursday until the evening, and then the potential for stormy conditions later in the week. Sally.
Thanks very much, Alexis. Tomorrow, be with us because we're going to meet the villagers who've come up with another novel alternative to speed cameras. That's tomorrow night, 6:30 here on BBC One. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Good night.